Imagine waking up tomorrow, and every piece of gold on earth is worth 0 Indian rupees. Jewelry, gold bars, even national reserves become worthless overnight. Would the global economy survive? Gold has fascinated humanity for over 5,000 years. Empires fought wars for it. Kings built kingdoms with it. People trusted it more than paper money. Even today, governments keep thousands of tons locked inside massive vaults. But what if one day gold suddenly became completely worthless? Not cheaper, not less valuable, worth absolutely nothing. The consequences would shock the world. Chapter 1: Why Gold is Valuable. Before imagining its collapse, let's understand why gold is so valuable. Gold doesn't rust. It doesn't corrode. It's rare. It's beautiful. It's easy to shape into jewelry. It also conducts electricity extremely well, making it useful in electronics, medical devices, and even spacecraft. But here's the surprising truth. Most of gold's value comes from one thing: human belief. People believe gold is valuable. Because people trust it, it becomes valuable. For thousands of years, civilizations accepted gold as money. Even after countries stopped using the gold standard, gold remained the world's favorite safe haven investment. Whenever people fear war, inflation, or economic collapse, they rush to buy gold. Chapter 2: The Impossible Happens. Now imagine, scientists discover a way to create unlimited amounts of pure gold using cheap materials. Or, a gigantic asteroid containing trillions of tons of gold is successfully mined. Suddenly, gold is no longer rare. Within hours, investors begin selling. Gold prices collapse. Banks refuse to buy it. Jewelry stores stop accepting it. Panic spreads across financial markets. People who spent their life savings on gold watch their wealth disappear. Social media explodes. News channels broadcast non-stop. The impossible has happened. Gold is worthless. Chapter 3: Global Financial Chaos. The first victims would be investors. Millions of people own gold through jewelry, coins, ETFs, and investment funds. Their savings would evaporate almost overnight. Then come the central banks. Countries like the United States, Germany, Italy, France, Russia, India, and China store thousands of tons of gold as national reserves. These reserves support confidence in their financial systems. If gold suddenly loses all value, trillions of dollars in national assets disappear. Financial markets would react instantly. Stock prices fall. Currencies become unstable. Banks face enormous losses. Investors rush toward other safe assets like government bonds, land, or even cryptocurrencies. Fear spreads faster than facts. Chapter 4: Jewelry Industry Collapses. Gold isn't just an investment. It's part of culture. Weddings, festivals, family traditions, luxury fashion. Around the world, millions of businesses depend on gold jewelry. Mining companies, refineries, designers, retail stores, craftsmen. If gold becomes worthless, jewelry prices crash. Thousands of businesses shut down. Millions lose their jobs. Families who inherited gold over generations suddenly own metal with almost no financial value. Something once considered priceless becomes nearly useless. Chapter 5: Winners of the Collapse. But surprisingly, not everyone loses. Electronics become much cheaper. Gold is used in smartphones, computers, medical equipment, satellites, and advanced military technology. If gold costs almost nothing, manufacturing becomes cheaper. Medical devices become more affordable. Space exploration becomes less expensive. Scientists begin using gold in countless new technologies because cost is no longer a problem. Ironically, the collapse of gold could trigger a technological revolution. Chapter 6: What Replaces Gold. If gold loses everyone's trust, people still need a safe place to store wealth. So what replaces it? Silver? Maybe. Platinum? Possibly. Real estate? Likely. Bitcoin and other digital assets? Many investors would certainly consider them. Some governments could even increase confidence in their own currencies. History shows that whenever one trusted asset disappears, people quickly search for another, because economies cannot function without trust. Gold itself wasn't valuable because it glittered. It was valuable because billions of people believed it was. Chapter 7. Could this actually happen? Realistically, gold becoming completely worthless is extremely unlikely. Even if massive new supplies were discovered, gold would still have industrial uses. Electronics, medicine, aerospace, scientific research. Its price could fall dramatically, but reaching zero would require people to stop wanting it entirely. And that's incredibly difficult. Gold has survived thousands of years of economic crises, wars, empires, and technological revolutions. This history is one of resilience. This thought experiment teaches us something fascinating. Value isn't always about the object itself. Sometimes, value exists because people agree that it exists. Gold, paper money, cryptocurrencies, even collectibles. Their worth depends on trust. If trust disappears, value can disappear too. So, if gold became worthless tomorrow, the world wouldn't end. But the global economy would experience one of the biggest financial shocks in human history. Now here's a question for you. If gold suddenly became worthless, where would you invest your money instead? Would you choose real estate, stocks, Bitcoin, or something completely different? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing what-if scenarios. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.